A good egg. Unscrambling the meaning. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and colloquial phrase. A good egg. Ever wondered what it means and how to use it? Let's unscramble this expression together. A good egg is a colloquial expression that originated in the UK and has been used for over a century. The term egg in this context is a friendly slang for a person. So, when we say someone is a good egg, we're actually giving them a compliment. When someone is referred to as a good egg, it means they are trustworthy, reliable, and likable. Think of a friend who always has your back or a coworker who's always helpful. They're the good eggs in your life. For example, I can always count on Sam to help me out. He's such a good egg. Thank you for returning my lost wallet. You're a good egg. Using a good egg is a great way to sound more natural and colloquial in English. Here are some tips. 1. Positive context. Always use it in a positive context. It's a compliment. 2. Informal settings. Best for casual conversations among friends, family, or acquaintances. 3. Response to good deeds. A great way to use it is in response to someone's kind or helpful action. While it's a fun phrase, there are common pitfalls to avoid. Don't use it in formal situations. It's too informal for a business meeting or official letter. It's not about actual eggs. Avoid connecting it to anything related to cooking or breakfast. Not universally known. While many English speakers will understand, some might not. So, gauge your audience. And there we have it. Now you know that a good egg has nothing to do with breakfast but everything to do with being a great person. We hope you enjoyed this lesson and will sprinkle this phrase into your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.